I live with them.
But see, Mr. Majeski, my thoughts are you're on felony bond for things they're saying you do when you're acting up. And so I don't care if you think you live your own life. You're going to live under your dad's rules or you're going to live in the jail.
Yeah.
On the record in the state of Michigan versus Mark Arthur Majeski, 2503083FY.
Ross Marchina for the people.
Assistant Public Defender John Lee on behalf of Mark Arthur Majeski.
And you, sir, you are Mark Majeski on the video, is that right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what you told me. Okay. Today's the date for probable cause conference. We have a preliminary exam set for next week, October 31st at 9 a.m. here in my court. Have we decided what we're doing?
We're going to leave this on for the preliminary exam, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Marchina, you be ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Majeski, preliminary exam is set October 31st, 9 a.m. here in my court. That will be in person as evidence and testimony may be presented at that time. It is very important that you come to my court October 31st in person. It looks like there were some conditions placed when you were arraigned by Judge Babcock. She ordered no contact with Peggy, Kayla, Kyle, and Nicholas. No direct contact, no indirect contact. That applies whether you're in jail or out of jail. If you have contact with any of those people, you could be in contempt of court, for which you face up to 93 days in jail and or $7,500 in fines, separate and apart from that which you already face. All right, and it looks like at least one is a healthcare worker. I don't know about the other. Anything else we need to address for the record for Mr. Majeski?
Nothing for the people.
In regard to bond, Your Honor, I would like to bring to the court's attention that I spoke with Mr. Majeski's father yesterday, Tom Majeski. He reports that he is Mark's support person and helps him with his CMH and his meds, et cetera, and would be willing to step in and supervise him during the period that this case is pending if the court would consider a reduction in bond.
Okay, and it looks like Judge Babcock set it at 5,000 cash surety. Do the people have any position on bond today?
No, Your Honor, we'll defer to the court.
I don't have any information about Mr. Majeski's criminal history or failures to appear. Do we have any information like that?
I don't think that there is a failure to appear issue.
Okay.
The incident in question involved hospital personnel, so this was not something that happened on the street or in the home or that kind of thing.
Okay. So his father, is he going to reside with his father?
Yes,
And is that going to be the Georgetown address?
that is correct, Your Honor.
Does he ordinarily reside with his dad?
That I'm unclear on. I think that, well, I don't want to say because I'm unclear.
No, I live by myself, but my dad lives about 4 blocks from me.
Okay. So
I
this
see my
isn't,
dad every day.
so this isn't his dad's address. This is his address. So,
Mr. Majeski,
yes, Your Honor.
is that your address on Georgetown, the apartment?
Yes, it is.
3?
Yes, you. Sir.
Okay, I apologize, Your Honor. That is.
so
his-
I need his dad's address.
Do you know your father's
My
address?
dad, and I see my dad every day.
Uh-huh. Well, I think if I'm gonna let you out of jail, you're gonna see him a lot more because you're gonna live with him. Otherwise, I'm not sure if I want to let you out.
Okay. What I'm saying is I don't know if I can live with them because me and my dad does have conflicts sometimes because, you know, he's 8 years old and, you know, sometimes I feel I like I can run my own life and he, you know, this I'm just telling you what my past was like when I lived with them.
But
as
see,
a
Mr.
man.
Majeski, my thoughts are you're on felony bond for things they're saying you do when you're acting up. And so I don't care if you think you live your own life. You're gonna live under your dad's rules or you're gonna live in the jail.
Yeah. But what
Okay, that
I'm
address
saying is
doesn't
that
work.
I don't mind living
It's
with my dad, but I'm just saying, I don't think my dad's gonna allow me to live with him, because he lives with his
Okay.
ex-wife.
All
And
right, so
she's
Mr.
her
Lee,
house.
Okay, thank
can
you,
you
sir.
call his dad, confirm the address and find out whether he can reside before I can finish this file?
I certainly will.
Okay, we'll be back with you in just a minute, Mr. Majeski. I just need to get more clarification because the address you gave me, I can't find in Google. And he needs to call your dad and see if you can stay there. So we'll be back with you in just a few moments.
You,
All right, Mr. Lee, did we get what we needed for Mr. Majeski?
We did.
Let's see if he's still there. He is. Okay, back on the record in State versus Majeski 2503083FY. We have Mr. Martina right here, Mr. Lee, Mr. Majeski. Mr. Majeski, were you able to contact, I'm sorry, Mr. Lee, were you able to contact Mr. Majeski's father?
I was, Your Honor.
And do we know what's going on there?
And so for the clarification, his dad's address is not the same as his. I did get his dad's address. It's about 3 blocks away from where Mr. Majeski lives. Dad says that Mr. Majeski is fine as long as he's taking his meds, and that he would supervise and make sure that he was taking his meds, but he would not be able to allow Mr. Majeski to live due to conflicts with other people that live there as well.
I'm not doing a PR bond at this time, then bond will be reduced to 2,000 cash surety with all conditions. I guess Mr. Majeski's dad can decide if he wants to assist him in posting that, but I am not comfortable PR bonding him at this time with this many charges. Presumably, Mr. Majeski was supposed to be taking his medications when these offenses occurred. So I have to consider the protection of the public. These bonds will be 2,000 cash surety.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, Mr. Majeski, you will be in my court October 31st at 9 a.m. to continue to hearing. If you're in jail, we'll bring you over. If you're not in jail, be sure that you show up here at court October 31st at 9.
I'd be in jail.
Bye.